What is up, guys? Welcome back to another Smpl Builds YouTube video. This is a special one. It's the one you've all been waiting for. The car is done. It looks awesome. I can't wait to show you. We got some awesome clips of it, and we're going to take you through a little bit of the process of what we did to refinish the wheels and dip the whole car. It's our first time doing this, our first build, hopefully the first of many. So stay tuned for some more videos. Leave some ideas of what you guys think for the next car. So sit back, relax, enjoy. Grab a slushie, some Mountain Dew, popcorn, your favorite snack, Gatorade, Haterade, lemonade. Check it out.
Just because I really love you, baby. Just because I really love you. Just because I really love you, baby. Just because I really love you. Just because I really love you, baby. Just because.
Show you guys a little process of painting the wheels. Got some 180 320 sandpaper. And we got this gloss black paint primer in one Rust-Oleum, and hopefully the gloss comes out nice. So check it out.
Just baby, I let you treat me.
So I got these all sanded down, pretty smooth. Now I gotta bring them out, wash them, dry it, and then they're ready to get painted.
Just because I really love you. Just because I really love you, baby. Just because I really love you. Just baby, love you. Just baby, love you. I let you treat me. Just baby, love you. Just baby, love you.
We're out here in 100-degree weather. We got the tent set up. We're gonna start putting these index cards around these wheels and start painting them. He just walked into the pole. Oh.
I let you treat me. Just baby, love you. Just baby, love you. I let you treat me bad. Just because I really love you, baby. Just because I really love you.
Alright, so the wheels came out super cool. They look awesome. Better than I expected. We're gonna start the dipping process tomorrow in the morning. So now we're gonna wash it, and we gotta dry the whole thing completely bone dry, and then it'll be ready to dip tomorrow morning. So we're gonna start taping it off, taping the windows, and getting it ready.
I let you treat me. Just baby, love you. Just baby, love you. I let you treat me. You know I can't live, baby. Just because I really love you, baby. Just because I really love you. Just because I really love you, baby. Just because I really love you. Just baby, love you. Just baby. treat me. Ooh, baby, you know I can't live.
Back to work.
Just because I really love you, baby. Just because I really love you.
What's up, guys? It's the next day, early in the morning. Today we're going to dip the car. As you see, we got it all bagged off yesterday, all taped up, ready to go. So my brother's gonna come in. He's a professional videographer. He's gonna get some sweet clips of us, of the process of the dip. Let's get to it. As the pro showed up, check out this rig.
I'm right here.
Cut to the cool stuff in 3, 2, 1.
Peep this. I'm a new breed on OT, know the whole world gon' know me. We got no doubt, double down, I ain't folding. Baby, do you see me with a team? Let's stay high rolling. Lately the vibe's been high, let's ride, I found my calling. I ain't gon' flex, just chillin' right here, I'm soaking up, I'm like. Some of these cats out here these days don't know how to rhyme right. Broadcast, listen on stations, greatness coming, don't say it. I'm leaving the matrix. Peep this. I'm a new breed on OT, know the whole world gon' come round. Feeling not seeing and giving our love is a must now. So break it up, it's about time we give notes now. Pick up that slack, you're standing, boy, no, you don't need to cuss, yeah.
Hope you guys like that little edit. Now here goes the fun part, unbagging it.
Just because I really love you, baby. Just because I really love you. Just because I really love you, baby. Just because I really love you. Just because I really love you, baby. Just because I really love you. Just baby, love you. Just baby, love you. I let you treat me.
Well, we almost melted and had to fend off a couple bugs out of the dip. We got it done. Here it is. There she is. It looks good. Overall, super happy with the results. It definitely wasn't easy, but for our first dip's all done. Let's get the wheels on.
Just because I really love you. Just because I really love you. Just because I really love you.
We threw the wheels on. The dip is good. Finished it all up. It's all unbagged, so we got some clips and we're gonna throw it together and edit. I think you guys are really gonna enjoy this one. Let me know what you think and enjoy.
I didn't believe a man existed who could not be stopped by it.
Is he a man or a monster?
Back to the animalistic. A monster that lies within each of us. Looks like the word for a wild animal.
So there it is. Just finished up some shooting. Thing looks insane. It's cool to have it at this point, but I think we're looking at the next project already. So he's up for sale. 10,000 bucks. It's yours. Now, but yeah, we're trying to at least get our money back out of it. So we're gonna post it up and see if we get any bites. But for now, drive it around a little bit. We'll keep you guys updated. We're already looking for the next project. We'll let you know. If we find anything, we might look at Copart, try to get something off the auction, try to get it cheap. Drop some ideas for any video ideas you want to see on this thing, and maybe we'll do a couple more little mods to it before we let it go. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. Spent some time trying to get a nice release video for you guys. I think it came out pretty sweet, so I know you guys will appreciate that little cinematic couple clips for you. So that's it for the Honda series. I hope you guys enjoyed it. We definitely did. It was really fun. We learned a lot. Had a good time in the process. I'll see you guys in the next one.